underwear though either in this. I can't move right now! My arms are giving out! You tercinators?
No, did not see.
I quit on. Good leader. Me too.
Oh jeez.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Katie and today we are going to be road tripping through the Badlands.
I'm trying to jump off a cliff.
Yeah, but I didn't know what to name them.
Tercinators.
I'm gonna say tercinators. Please name your vans Tercinator. What did Corwin bring us?
He bought us pain pills in case we get bitten by a rattlesnake.
Drew, what does Corwin look like?
He looks like Bundy.
He looks like Ted Bundy. Corwin,
Yo.
how mad are you gonna be if I tell you that I already have to pee?
Horrible!
Katie, why were you in a gentleman's bath?
I had to go to the bathroom. You look so good.
There's a murder hornet on Corwin.
A murder hornet? Brad, show everyone your shirt.
There's a wasp on your back, Katie.
Yeah, there was.
They're always back.
Murder wasp, Katie! Alright, so we're gonna start attempting Notch Trail. Oh, I'm getting cut up! Got the cactus shorts and the cacti.
Come on, Katie, you were scared to go right there.
Yeah. My shoes are so slippery, I'm gonna fall. We're gonna try to attempt the log stairs now.
2 ways. Yeah.
Hopefully Brad falls.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, Brad, you got your little waddle.
My little wad, look at my little wig.
Well, this is pretty, whatever.
My family did that.
Gosh.
Like the TikTok boys.
What's your username?
At Bradley Leader. Someone come up here and look what I just did. Here.
Brad, did you just pull something? I told you to stretch.
Oh, one of those pokey things were poking me, so I was like trying to dodge it. My leg was just going back.
Hey now.
Did you grab my bag? You didn't grab my bag? Now we're gonna go off.
Hallie, did you pick up her bag?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta go back.
Your bag.
Are we ready? You bring any snacks? Brad, what were you just gonna do?
Trying to rake off the old ricky rack.
Why are you mad at him?
Look at that hat. Looks like that one SpongeBob episode. We were trying not to get hit by that bearfish. I'm pulling up my shirt. Oh!
Where?
Ants?
They bite. They like.
Corin, why did you take your socks off? Are you gonna start hiking barefoot?
What a good leader.
If we get stranded out here and we have to like choose someone to eat them, I choose that we sacrifice Brad.
Brad has no meat on his bones for us to eat. Look at him. Look at him. What could we eat? You have nothing.
I have peeps in my gut.
Refreshed.
So refreshed.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Okay. I was wasting my water on you.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Stop for a little snack on the side of the road. Corwin and I got some good old grilled chicken sandwiches. Drew and Hallie got some fries, but
They're gone.
they're already gone.
Those are good. You're just eating.
I'm gonna call him.
The door's been open the whole time.
If this thing don't start, I swear.
Oh, no, it wasn't.
Why'd you leave the door open?
Ellie was the last one out.
Oh, good thing the roll is kept warm.
You seriously can't find your keys?
I probably would have them by now if I could find them.
This is not what I meant by being stranded in the Badlands.
I raided this bag.
Brad, what are you doing?
I found the keys.
Did you?
But I just climbed out.
I prayed to St. Anthony and I found the keys. I literally just said, St. Anthony, help me find the keys.
I told you it works! Corwin found the keys. They were in his pocket the entire time.
I likes the peanut inside. Hello. This one's just coming over here. Look at this fat little guy. Yeah, he likes me. You know this one eats a lot.
Get him! Get him! Fight! 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 Wait, this sec. What did you want?
S'mores.
Oh, the
s'mores mini blizzard.
the mini s'mores blizzard.
Okay.
A mini Reese's blizzard.
Say Brad says hi. Is that all?
Brad says hi.
That is all. 3407, everyone get your money out.
Well, that concludes the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Now that we're stuck in quarantine, everybody needs to release their steam. Everybody needs to release their steam. Everybody needs to scream. You go first. You go first.